Hey there, and welcome to SkillsForge Pro. Today, I'm going to show you how to extend a background in Canva in just a few easy steps and under a minute. This trick is a game changer if you ever need to make a picture fit a different size without awkward cropping. All right, let's dive in. First things first, pick a picture you want to extend. For this tutorial, I'll be using a photo of my friend Matthew when he visited the Grand Canyon, without inviting me. Yeah, still not over it, but anyway, once you've got your image, place it right in the center of your Canva workspace. Now, let's work some Canva magic. Here's where the fun begins. Select your image, go to Edit, and head over to Magic Studio. Click on Magic Expand under the Expand tab. Choose Whole Page and hit Expand, and boom, Canva does its thing. Now, while we wait for the magic to happen, why not hit that like button and subscribe? It really helps me keep making these tutorials for you. All right, Canva just gave us 4 different extended versions of our image. Take a moment to pick the most natural and seamless one. If something looks off, no worries. Just hit Generate New Results until you're happy with it. If you see any white borders, slightly resize the image to hide them and get that perfect look. And that's it. Your extended background is ready. Easy, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, let us know what Canva techniques you'd love to learn next. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.